All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Ford Mustang. It is the premium package. This beautiful white with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, heated seats, cooling seats, fog lights. Super nice, and best of all, minimal damage, only 42,000 miles. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty nice. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see any curbing. I don't have my tire pressure, but there's your meter. So I'd say it's around 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Nope. It's a nice shot of your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise, in your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Push start system. Oh. Obviously, your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. That's working. Got your backup camera. Boom. Turn on the lights. Backup camera, AC controls right down below. Heated seats, heated and cooling seats right there as well. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 42,789. Pretty much completes the tour. Put up the trunk. Keeping it moving. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Rear deck lid here looks pretty nice. Here's your rear trunk space, and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and then I put away your owner's manuals right over there. Rear quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your on rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. This door looks, this fender looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one either. That pretty much completes the tour. All lights are working. Things are happening. Folks, once again, this is a 2016 Ford Mustang premium package of 42,000 miles. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.